Hi, my name's Tim, and today I'm going to show you how to polish and wax a car. Now, the car we're polishing today is a 2017 Equinox LX. I've already pre-washed this, and this is a crucial stage of it because if you don't pre-wash it, then you'll just be working all that road grime right into your paint, and no one wants that. Here are the products we'll be using. Now, our first product is Wizard's Turbo Cut Compound. Now, compound is something we'll be using very little of because it's an abrasive substance that you use to take out deep scratches, and this car only has one of those. Here I have Wizard's Shine Master. This is a polish, and you use this to take out the swirl marks and fine scratches. And finally, we have two different types of wax. We have liquid wax, which I'm going to be using some of on light surfaces, and the actual hard wax that you use on a pad, which comes in a container, and this works better for the hard surfaces like the hood and stuff where it will take more road abuse. I also have a buffer wheel here, which I know not everybody has, but in normal cases this is what I would use to apply my polish, but for the sakes of this video I'm going to be using microfiber rags just because I know everyone will have that. I'm only going to be doing the hood because we have a time limit on this. Now, for larger areas, you're going to want to add a reasonable amount of wax, or polish, sorry. Then you're going to want to work it in a circular motion, making sure to move constantly, otherwise you get swirl marks in your paint. Now, be sure to add some pressure. Otherwise, you won't be able to work it in nice. I make multiple passes over my hood, making sure to get the whole hood, the whole area. And once you see the wax starting to dry like that, dry on the surface, like that, then you know it's time to let it dry. Then you switch to a clean part of your rag and you can buff it off. Now our next step is to add our wax, and the wax will come right off onto the pad. Then you're going to want to make super small circles, going very careful along your surface as to not add swirls to the paint. If you don't add pressure, it won't get into the paint good. And you want the wax to actually fuse to the paint. And that's how you get your nice protected surface. With the wax side, all the dirt and grime runs right off the paint like that. Your car will stay clean longer, and it will prevent your paint from getting contaminated. You can see a visible difference in the shade of the paint too. You can see this is a richer black when you get in the shadow of it. Then just repeat that process for every panel of the vehicle and your car will be protected for the elements.